Hello guys, welcome to another short tutorial on Angular. In the previous video, we have seen how we can apply one-way binding in our Angular application. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can make use of two-way binding in our Angular application. As the name suggests, two-way binding is nothing but it's a binding which helps us to bind the data between TypeScript file and HTML file. So whenever you want to pass data from TypeScript to HTML, and whenever there is a change in the HTML file from the user and you want to store that one or bring back to TypeScript file, then you can make use of two-way binding. This is most widely used option or feature in Angular. Whenever you are doing any interactions with the database or whenever you need to send a data to HTML file and bring back, this is a very useful one. This is useful for the HTML elements where users are entering the data so that you can get that data back to the TypeScript file and apply some logic or whatever the operation you want to perform, you can perform that one here. To understand this one, let me take an example where we will have one input field. So, and I will name this one as enter country name, as this is a input element where users are going to enter the data. So let me save this one. You can see there is a input field and user can enter the data here. Suppose if you are targeting for any particular country where this application is going to deploy, what you can do is you can pre-populate this data by having one variable name, and I will name this one as India. To populate this one to our input field, I will make use of two-way binding here. To apply two-way binding, you can use two square brackets, and within that one you can use two curly braces. And within that one you need to add the predefined keyword, that is ng model. Then equals to, within this one you can mention the variable whichever is defined here. So now the data will flow from this TypeScript file to the HTML. As we have defined this one as India, that country or data will be applied or shown to this input box. So let me save all files. As soon page refreshes, you can observe input field is pre-populated with the country which we have defined in our TypeScript file. As we know, two-way binding bring back the data from input HTML template as well. So whatever the changes we do here, suppose if we change this one to US, that will get stored in country. To check that one whether the data is flowing down to TypeScript file or not, let me add one change method here and assign a function here for change method. I will have a function by name display country value, and I will put that one into TypeScript file. This will just console the data to our console window of the browser where we are going to display the country data. So let me save both files and go back to browser and open the inspect window where we'll get a console. As you can see here, on page load, our country is displayed into input file. So when I will change this one, you can observe that is being captured and sent back to our TS file. So as we are displaying this one in console window, it's displaying here. If user enters anything here, as soon it changes, you can observe that is being captured and sent to TypeScript file. So that's it what two-way binding means, where the data flows from HTML template file to TypeScript file and TypeScript file to HTML template file. That's it guys for this video. Thank you for watching this. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, click on like button and share it to others.